Today we're going to work on prepping up some containers of liquid laundry detergent. So what I have is a large container of water. We're going to need at least 4 cups of that. So we're just going to get that started. We'll put that in the microwave, and then you can get that warmed up while everything's cooking or getting ready to get mixed up. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have our 20 meal tune borax. We have some washing soda. I'll show you in another video how I made my washing soda. I live in an area where it's hard to get access to that. And then I have some 2-liter bottles. And then I'm just going to simply take my funnel, put that up there, and we're going to put our 1/2 cup of borax in there. And then it's best if you get that to go down before you add in your washing soda. And then next we're just going to add that 1/2 cup of washing soda. And this, as you can see, does not flow down as easy, so you're going to jiggle it, and this does take a while. That borax will just strain right through. Once you have that, and now because this is just such a small hole here, I do have a separate funnel that I'm just going to pour the water into. And we'll just pour that water in. Now I've added that warm water. We can just put the cap on. And we're just going to shake this vigorously, and the nice thing now is there's no bubbles, there's no suds in here. Dissolve that. And now I've shaken this for a while. What we're going to end up doing is we're going to use a larger bottle that we're going to pour this into. We're just actually going to use a store brand bottle, and then we'll just pour this in there and then fill that the remainder of the way with water. So this will just end up turning into a 150 milliliter container of liquid laundry detergent. And once we add that extra water, those will dissolve out. And then by doing it this way with the soap last, as you can see, we don't have the bubbles. And then this is just going to sit with the cap on. And this will just sit on the counter, and then when you finish your next bottle of liquid laundry detergent, you could use this just how it is here, and you could use a 1/4 cup, or you could just wait until you're done with your next bottle of liquid laundry detergent, and you'll just put this in there, fill it with water, and no one's any the wiser that you made your own. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like. 2 liters of liquid laundry detergent. So this is a concentrated formula, and we have 2 done. And mix that up. If you have a high efficiency machine, you're going to use a 1/4 cup of this, and if you have a top loader, you can use a 1/2 cup. What I do is I'm just going to take these containers when I run out of my commercial laundry soap. What I've done is I just use that bottle. I pour these in. I can use the standard measuring cup that came with the bottle, and I'm good to go. And I don't have a bunch of these blue bottles without a measuring cup to measure out my laundry detergent. So hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and in the post below, let me know, how did this work out for you? Is it good? Is it too strong? Let us know. Thanks for watching. And I just made all of this, so I bought this 20 meal tune borax. I spent $3 for the baking soda for 2 pounds of it, and this was $4, so I'm into that for $7. It's about 1/3 a box of that, so I'm probably into the whole deal here for under $12, and I got 1, 2, 3.5 containers, so about $45. So I saved about $30 plus doing this on my own. It's fun, something different to try. You do have to, before you use it, give it a little spin. As you can see here, we have some of this soap coagulated towards the top, and it's a little thinner at the bottom. So you are just going to give it a quick shake before you use it. hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.